Hello friends, now let us discuss the next question from UGC NET paper 1 June 2006 exam. We are discussing only the mathematical part, questions from mathematical part here. So the question is, Monday falls on 20th March 1995. What was the day on 3rd November 1994? So they have given the day of a particular date in 1995. They are asking what day it will be of the particular day given in the last year of the given year. So they are given 1995 and they are asked to find what day it will fall in the year 1994 of different date. So they are given 4 options. So let us solve this. So first they have given 1995 and they are asked to find 1994. Which month? November 1994 to March. November, they have given the date as 3 November 1994 to 20 March 1995. Okay, so we have to count from November to March. So November. So since they have taken from 3, we have to leave first 3 days and count the remaining days in the month of November. So there will be totally 30 days in the November. If we subtract the first 3 days, then we are left with 27 days in the November month. December. So in December there will be totally 31 days. January. Again 31 days. February 28 days. March, since they have asked the date 20th date, we have to consider only 20 days. So these two are of 1994. These 3 are of the year 1995. So totally these many days are there. So total all these days, they add up to 137. Now in a week we have totally 7 days, so we have to divide the total number of days by 7. We will get 7 1 ja 7 and remainder is 6. 7 9 ja 63. 7 9 ja 63 and the remainder is 63. 67 minus 63, the remainder is 4. Right, remainder 4. We have to just consider the remainder itself, not the whole thing part which we get as the answer. We have to consider the remainder. Remainder is 4, which means 4 days. Now we have to, and they given 20th March 1995 as Monday. We have to separate 4 days from Monday to get the day of 3rd November 1994, Monday. Subtracting 1 day from Monday, we get Sunday, again Saturday, Friday, Thursday. So 4 days before Monday is Thursday. So the right option is Thursday.